Good morning, one and all present here. This is Bushra Hamid of class 9. Today, I am standing before you all to share my thoughts through my speech about life and self-improvement. Life is a continuous ongoing process that has to end someday. Life is all about adoring yourself, creating yourself. A quote for you that says, life can be only understood backward, but it must be lived forward. Life itself is a golden opportunity to live a meaningful life and support others to do so. It does not matter how many years you live, but it matters how well you live a quality life. The fear of death always threatens our life. Every person has to face death sooner or late. But it does not mean that it should discourage us from living life to the fullest or achieving our goals. A person is wise only when he or she is ready to meet destiny. When it comes, but until the time enjoys every bit of it. It is a sense of readiness. It is a journey in everyone's life where we have to cross the bridge of death to be able to walk up to a life eternal. Human life is a truly very precious gift. Each moment of human life unlocks the path to us to receive blessings. This is the truth that life gives us both positive and negative situations. What is really important is how we react. Self-improvement. Everyone has flaws because no human being ever been perfect. At the end of the day, the only one that can improve you is you. You make the change if you take the risk. When it comes down, no one else can do those things for you. The hardest part about improving yourself is it takes time. Most valuable things take time. Think about it like this. When you plant a seed, it takes time to sprout. So you give it proper supplies in order for it to sprout like sunlight, water. But at the end of the day, you may know at some point it will sprout. Same thing with real life. We start by planting a seed or the change that we give to ourselves. The thing we need and help us grow like patience, perspective and perseverance. And as time passes, we continue to grow roots or a foundation of our growth. At the end, we do it eventually sprout. Change does not happen overnight. It's never going to happen to be easy. The one of the hardest thing is pointing out your own flaws to yourself and trying to improve them. You will struggle to fix it. You have to accept yourself to fall a couple times before you eventually succeed. Being a human is not being easy, which is always something to keep in mind. That do the best to be the best and do it for yourself. At last, I want to remind you, self-love is the highest frequency that attracts everything you desire. Thank you.